This is the M2 machines that I got at Hobby Lobby last week. I did a video on it. You can see, you can check that out here on the channel. But today we're going to bust this thing open and get a closer look at it. It's a 1971 Dodge Charger. Nice. Let's get to it. Oh, these packs are a little tougher than the Hot Wheel packs. Thicker boxes. I hope I can get this. Oh, there we go. Now these come on little stands, so that's pretty neat. Oh, check that out. I don't know if that pops off or I don't want to break it. Let's see. I've really never opened one of these. Oh, I see. It's screwed in right here. So it's, you could take it out, but I'm not going to take it off. But check that out. I'll just leave it on there. That is so cool. That's one cool thing about M2 machines. Most of them come with these little stands. It's really cool just to touch this thing. I'm wearing gloves just so get it all greasy or whatever. It says 21 on the top. And the hood says 426 CI Dodge 21. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, this was $7 at Hobby Lobby. Obviously, I buy tons of 99% Hot Wheels, but every once in a while I'll go pick up some M2 machines. They're a little more expensive, but after seeing Toon Track's video when he was peg hunting in Thailand, I better not complain about prices. But being here in the US, we do have them a little cheaper, obviously. But check out the back. Look at that. So detailed. It's got the red lights on the back instead of just like silver. That's so cool, man. That's why they're more expensive, so they're a little more detailed. I'll spin this all the way around here so you guys can get a better look at it. Look at the front of that. Just an awesome muscle car. Sweet looking. I know it's not one of the chase cars, but I love it. And I love how it stays on the stand. I was thinking when you opened it, you could just pop this off, but it's you could have to literally get a small Phillips screwdriver to take it out. So it already comes with a display. So that now you see why it's a little more expensive. Oh, also look at that. Even the side has red lighting. So every little detail is not missed. I hope you guys enjoy this car. It's really cool. I mean, it's not a rare one or worth a ton of money or nothing like that, but just the eye appeal is so beautiful. Man, I love it. But anyway, I will let you guys go. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video. I'm going to probably try to sprinkle some of these videos in every now and then just so we can actually see the cars. I mean, I love doing in-store videos, but like I said on another video, all of our stores around here pretty much have the same Hot Wheels, so I'm not going to go in there and keep showing the ones over and over and over again until we get some new cases. But so all I'll do is I'll bust some open. Look at that. And it just kind of sits right here on the stand. I love that. That's so cool. That's awesome. All right, guys. Well, that's the video for today. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing. And like I said, I'll do some more of these videos, unboxing videos. So until next time, happy collecting and happy hunting.